Hello, I'm Geetika. The question is, the Hotel Dawn has two wings, the east wing and the west wing. Some east wing rooms, but not all, have an ocean view. All west wing rooms have a harbor view. The changes for all the rooms are same, except that there is an extra charge for all harbor view rooms on or above the third floor. There is an extra charge for all the ocean view rooms except those without balcony. Some harbor view rooms on the first two floors and some east wing rooms without ocean view have kitchen facilities for which there is an extra charge. Only the ocean view and harbor view rooms have balconies. One room has either one view or none at all. A guest can avoid an extra charge by requesting solution. The information becomes a little easier to keep straight with a tree diagram showing the various possibilities like the one given tree here is. Let us take east view. In east wing there can be two cases. One is ocean view where the other will be no view. In case of ocean view, either we have balcony or we don't have balcony. For rooms having ocean view with balcony, we have extra charge, whereas for rooms with ocean view and no balconies have no extra charge. Now, for no view rooms, we have kitchen or we don't have kitchen. Rooms with no view and with kitchen have extra charge, whereas rooms with no view and no kitchen have no extra charge. Similarly, for west wing we can form a tree. There can be two cases. One is harbor view and another is there will be three floors, that is above two floors and first and second floor. Above three floors, for all the rooms we have extra charge. For first and second floor, we have either kitchen or we don't have kitchen. For first and second floor, rooms having kitchen, we have extra charge, and for first and second floor, which rooms do not have kitchen, we don't have extra charge. From these diagrams, we see that some rooms described in options 1 and 3 have kitchen facilities, and the rooms described in option 2 all involve an extra charge. Therefore, answer is option 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Geetika. The question is, which of the following must be true if all the conditions are as stated? Solution. The only extra charges are for ocean view with balcony, harbor view, third floor and up, and rooms with kitchen facilities, no matter where. But some ocean view rooms without balcony and some no view rooms, no kitchen, east wing rooms may be above the third floor. Therefore, option 3 and 4 are both false. Answer is option 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Geetika. The question is, which of the following must be false if all conditions are applied? Solution. Option 3 directly contradict with the first extra charge condition. And all other options are definitely true. Therefore, answer is option 3. Thank you.